Hello, this is Bobby Miles from Texas Skid Steer. I'm selling a Takeuchi TL130 and I want to take a real slow walk around the machine. This video will be like getting 1,000 pictures of the machine because we're getting every angle of it. I want to show you everything about the machine. This machine has an excellent set of tracks on it, has an excellent undercarriage. Machine's got a really nice tooth bucket on it. It has joystick controls. This machine is a 2-speed. The 2-speed works. It has auxiliary hydraulics. They work. The auxiliary hydraulics are 2-directional. They'll go, either way, either direction. I'm going to walk up and let you get a better look at the tracks. Those tracks are in great condition. They're about 80%, I would say. I want you to take a good close look at the main drive sprockets. These are very good condition. Notice that they're not sharp. Real good condition. The other side of the sprockets are the same way. Good tracks. Drive sprockets, very good shape. Notice that they're dry, there's no leaks. That's something that you need to look for when you're looking for a skid steer. Make sure that they don't have any leaks around the drive sprockets. Take a better look at the tracks. Take a good look at that tooth bucket. This is your auxiliary hydraulics. Let's look inside the cab. I don't know if you can see it in the picture or not, or in the video, so I'm going to get really close to these little bitty tears that are in the seat. This is the bottom of the seat that you're seeing, and that's the only damage that the seat has, is just right there. It doesn't need to be replaced. It's a pretty good seat. These are your controls. Just try to show you all around the machine. This is the image of the bucket from the overhead. Has quick release, just 2 handles you pull up and you can change the bucket. I'm going to have someone get in the machine now and demonstrate it for you. I'm going to go around the side of the machine so that you can see it when it starts. Very good, solid running machine. The machine is not cosmetically perfect. As you can see, it has some scratches and dings on it. Just normal wear and tear for a 2005 model. But mechanically, the machine is in excellent condition. Probably the first person that test drives this machine is going to be the one that buys the machine, because how good the machine runs is the most impressive part of this machine. It's just mechanically excellent. Thank you for watching. You can call me at 817-668-1018. And you can see all of our machines at TexasSkidSteer.com. Thank you. This has been Bobby Miles from Texas Skid Steer. Have a great day.